Good morning. So the first thing we're going to do is remove these twists from my hair. I'll be using the Unjacky's Cocoa Repair Deep Conditioner. It makes detangling easier and it also strengthens my hair. I will sit under this dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Grabbing Unjacky's buttercream, I'm going to add moisture to my hair. This is enriched with coconut oil and castor oil, so this is the perfect leave-in conditioner for me. Grabbing Unjacky's curl balls, I'll be creating some edge art, which is my favorite thing to do. With this super hold, it never leaves my art feeling stiff or tacky. Now it's time to style, and of course I will be creating my favorite hairstyle, which I like to call embracing my natural beauty.